ये अंदर 4D सिमुलेशन है। To be honest, मुझे लगा ये लोग VR देंगे, but it's a theater. So ये सब होगा पहले इस्तांबुल सफायर से, फिर एक सबसे बड़े ब्रिज पे, फिर मेडिन्स टावर, उसके बाद हागा सोफिया, फिर सुलेमानी मॉस्क, फिर आता है ब्लू मॉस्क, उसके बाद तोकापाकी पैलेस, उसके बाद बसिलिसिया सेर्टेन, उसके बाद येनी कापी मीवेल यानसी, उसके बाद है गोल्डन हॉर्न, ग्लाटा टावर, फिर है तकसिम। तो हमें चश्मे मिल गए, अभी स्टार्ट होगा, तो चलिए चलते हैं। Let's go. I'm done. I'm kind of nervous because I have got a lot of accessories on me. Okay. Yep. Let's go. It's starting. It's all full. I won't be able to show it so properly because everyone's head is covering. Oh man. Okay, it's starting now. They closed the door. Yeah, I feel it's in my hands, guys. It looks cool. Very, very cool.
Hanımefendiler, beyefendiler ve sevgili çocuklar, Sapphire uçuşuna hoş geldiniz. İstanbul üzerinde gerçekleştireceğimiz turumuzun 10 dakika sürmesini planlıyoruz. Uçuş yüksekliğimiz 5 ila 250 metre olacaktır. Lütfen uçuş boyunca uçuş kurallarına uygun davranın ve emniyet kemerlerinizi asla çıkarmayın. İyi uçuşlar diliyoruz.
Okay, we are in a helicopter. This is a helicopter.
We are planning to complete our tour.
Oh, I thought we were gonna go down.
During the flight, our height will be 5 to 250 meters. Please follow the rules and wear your seatbelts during the whole ride. We wish you a pleasant flight.
Okay. Plane is dying. I mean, helicopter is dead. It's gonna continue for 10 minutes. Okay. As for the first, I told you guys, the bridge is gonna come. fell on our head. It's fire, guys. Okay, we're going again. Full speed. A lot of speed. Once more. Oh, bats. We got some bats. We got some bats. Okay. Oh. This is the traditional dance of here, guys. Like spinning round and like a big spinner. Yep. I'm sorry if the voice is too high and the music I'm sorry. Okay, we are diving in again. We're going again in the sky. We're going to the golden horn now. This is Glata Tower right now. After this, I think we're going to the golden horn. I'm not sure. Okay, don't dive in again. No. Thank you. Oh, it's taking an angle to. Oh my, that scared me. Okay, this is street view. We're gonna go there as well. Oh, I think this is taxi. I think we're done. No, that was a tram, but in here language you call it as taxi. I think it's over. The 10 minutes were too less, to be honest. And here we go. A whole city view at night once more. Now we're gonna check all the. I think we're gonna go to all of them once more. To night view. No, we're done. Done. No, it's not done yet. Somebody on torchlight, so it's really disgusting. Okay, now it's perfect. Yes, sir. Now we're going to the 11th zone. 11th zone. It says down. I could read that properly. The 11th zone means the building in which we are right now. I can't find it, to be honest.